Hi guys, I just got home from Tagbilaran.
Future boyfriend, kung gusto dyan ka nga mag-uyanta, sige
Na siya guys. Ako siyang gihatod kay ato na siya sa Cebu kay eskwela na gumana ang sem break. Bye. 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 I'm gonna miss you right now. Bye. Hello guys, natuto na ko si Mary Ann sa kanang port. Then muli na siyang Cebu kay mag-eskwela na. Then tomorrow I'm gonna leave. I'll be going to Manila na tomorrow kay akong flight sa Cambodia on Sunday, so that's why mag-ulit na siya ron. But I think Monday ba yung klase, so yeah, that's it. I didn't put any makeup today because I really don't care. Yeah, sometimes you just don't care. So yeah. Hi guys! I just got back from Tagbilaran. Kaya dito na ako si Mary Ann. And we can say ko sa BQ, I'll have a quick haul to do. So, hindi ako napalit sa Tagbilaran. I went to, first item is I went to Novo. I did not know that naday Novo sa Tagbilaran. Then, karon pala ko nabalaan nga naday Novo sa Tagbilaran. Then, yes, I got a cosmetic case. So this is it. Mura siya og butanganan. You can put the lipstick there and then open mo siya like that, and then you can put your makeup. Kay tanawa oh, it's so messy na jud akong makeup. Grabe na jud ka messy. So kailangan ako og inanhi. Though gamay ra kay siya, di siya enough sa akong mga makeup, but at least I have like semi-organizer or a case for my makeup. So yeah, I need this one for my makeup. Okay, next thing I got, sorry sa akong kuan, sa akong sabak kasi na akong background, but this 14 inches backpacking ko for 1 month. I'll be going to Cambodia and Malaysia, as you know. Then I really need to bring my laptop for the editing. You know, I start vlogging every day now. I need to edit like every day, so I need to bring my laptop. And this is more easier than the bag one. Kanang mga bag, mas easy ni siya dalon kaysa katong mga bag. So that's why I got this. And sorry guys, this is 65 pesos. This cosmetic nani siya sa Novo. And then this sa BQ na ko gipalit, kani siya is 390 pesos for this bag. And okay, next item that I got is a shoe or sapatos or something. So nakuha na ako sa BQ mo sa bargain shop. This one is really cute. I like it so much. Na siya kanang murag angel nga wings dere nga side, and color black, and it fits perfectly sa ako Then it's only 299, so why not? So I got this and I like it. Yes. Okay, the next item that I got is from CDR King. So I got what we call this, a wireless mouse, because I really need this one for, you know, editing my vlogs, and that's why I got this. This is 240 pesos. Yeah, 240 pesos. I know this is only Cedar King, and then maybe it's not good quality, but I badly need it now. So I got this, and someday, somehow, if makaluwag-luwag na, magpalit ko og katong Bluetooth na nga inanhi, tapos medyo ka ng ano na, nice nga brand. So, but for now, CDR King muna tayo kay low budget pa. So, yes, mouse. And the last one, yeah, not really much, right? Okay, the last one that I got, just pens. Like, yeah, just pen. This is pens that I got. This is color green, pink, and orange, and violet. And then this one is brown, but ang yang agi dani is black. So yeah, that's all that I got for today, and I will be so busy. Naglaba pa ko, nasa washing akong labhanon. Ako pa nang humanon kay tomorrow I'll be going na sa Manila because I have a flight flight sa Sunday. So saba kay ang ako mga tao sa gawas. I don't know what happened. They're laughing. I don't know. But yes, I'm making this so quick because I have so many things to do pa. So yes guys, muna akong quick haul for today, what I bought today, and I'm gonna pack later on as well. And yes, thank you so much. Hi guys, I just got back from work. Yeah, work, and tonight I'm packing. It's a big mess. See, so yes, I'm packing now because tomorrow I'm going to Manila. And so I think that will be all with this vlog. I'm sorry, this is a boring vlog again. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Love you all.